What's up, tubers? It's your boy Garrick Dixon, also known as Barber Luther King. If you want to know how to properly use a leave-in conditioner for your hair, this is the video for you. Hit it! Okay, I'm back after that cool little introduction video. I hope y'all liked it because I had to pay for it. But today, this is very important. I'm going to show you how to use a leave-in conditioner for your hair. Now, using a leave-in conditioner is the second most important thing that you can do to your hair. I'm gonna let you guess. You want to know what the first one is? Okay, I heard some of you got the answer right. Shampoo. Washing your hair is important because if you don't, you can get dandruff, your hair can stink, your hair can fall out, people talk about you behind your back, you don't even know as soon as you leave the room, they calling you dusty head. Don't nobody want that, you ain't got time for that. So, that's the most important thing, to wash your hair. The second most important thing is to moisturize your hair by using a leave-in conditioner, because what that does is it makes your hair softer, more manageable, smell good, shine. Think of it like this. It's like lotion for your head. If you don't use lotion, you know what happens. You get ashy. Some of y'all get so ashy, if you black, you look like you're a white dude. People like, excuse me, Bill. You like, hey man, my name is Tyrone. Oh, I didn't realize that was all that ash. I'm sorry, brother. You know, so some of y'all, hey, thank you for the laugh. Some of y'all smile. I know it. I can be funny sometimes. Well, most of the times. Well, at least to me, you know, that's all that counts. But it's important to use a leave-in conditioner. And a lot of people don't know how to use a leave-in conditioner or don't use it properly. So I'm going to show you how to properly use the leave-in conditioner. What? Oh, yeah, y'all saw it. It's right here. I happen to have my own leave-in conditioner, Dixon 1737. This stuff, it smells good. Ooh, whoa! That thing, it smells so good. Sometimes I just want to eat it. But this is my own leave-in conditioner. It helps curl, shine, moisturize your hair, helps it grow softer, make it more manageable. This is some good stuff right here. And you can find this leave-in conditioner on my page. If you're on your phone, just scroll down, or you're on your computer, just scroll down. Buy it, I'll ship it right to you. We in business. So, but here's my leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to show you, let me switch, because this is for people to buy, but I happen to have one over here. I'm going to go get it, but time I get it, I'm gonna cut and edit the video, so I'm gonna just pop back up with the other conditioner. See, that editing was so good that you couldn't even tell that I left. Looked in the mirror at myself real quick to make sure that my teeth are okay, and then came back for this video. So, okay, here's the mistake that a lot of people make when using a leave-in conditioner. See, this is the used one right here. Only thing you need is like a fingertip full. But what a lot of people do, the mistake that they make when using a leave-in conditioner, they just put it, they focus on the top of their hair. You know, you just rub it in. Now this is still good, but it's not maximizing what a leave-in conditioner is for. You know, if you stay on top, well, I'm rubbing my head face. But if you stay on top, it's defeating the purpose. Yeah, it does make your hair shine and it makes it smell good, but we want maximum usage for the leave-in conditioner. So this is how you properly put it in your hair. You want to get all up on your scalp because you want the conditioner to touch your scalp. So you dig in there deep. Well, I look like I'm possessed. Sometimes you can use the scratch technique. It's like massaging your head. Now that conditioner is getting all up in there. My scalp is feeling good. My scalp is talking to me. Come on, feed me, feed me, feed me. That's what my scalp is saying. So I'm making sure that I get all up in there. Give you a close view. So if you have dandruff, you want to get all that dandruff out, Get it in there, and once you get in there, you're good to go. My hair looks good now. That's all you gotta do. And one thing I like to top it off, especially when you have a lot of hair like mine, if you have shorter hair, you can just use a brush. Even if your hair is like short, and you don't need a brush, you still want to make sure that you use a leave-in conditioner for your hair. Even if you have like a 1 against the grain, like I said, think of it as lotion for your hair. So no matter how short your hair is, as long as you have hair, use a leave-in conditioner. But this is one of the things that I like to do since I do have a lot of hair. After I use my leave-in conditioner, I use a curl sponge and I just sponge it out. And when you're using your curl sponge, you don't have to dig deep all up in your head. You can just stick with the top part. Just stick because the holes are going to work itself. Just stick with the top part and just sponge your hair. Just sponge it. Next thing you know, you're ready to go. That's the proper way of how you use a leave-in conditioner. Make sure you get up all in your scalp. Subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. If you agree or you don't agree, but I am a barber with 34 years experience, so I've been doing this a long time. My next video is going to be the common mistakes people make with the leave-in conditioner. Tune in, because it's going to be good. Hey guys, I enjoyed you watching. Well, I got the creepy face. I enjoyed you watching, peoples. Hey peeps, thanks for watching me. And as always, my trademark, ciao.